Hi there, and welcome to another screencast of DweetSocial. And today we're going to add an account and add some social media profiles, pages, and also a Twitter page, Twitter profile. And we're going to talk a little bit about stuff that you might be doing inside of DweetSocial. Let's go ahead and log in with our Facebook account. Let's give it a sec here. Okay, once you're logged in, at the top here you can see some stats: the amount of days left in your free trial, the amount of posts that you're allowed, the amount of RSS feed that you're allowed, and also the amount of posts per network that you are allowed. Now let's go ahead and add some social media networks here. Sorry, social media pages. Let's go to network. To add that, you go to network, and then if you use your Facebook account to log in or Twitter to log in, it's defaultly add that particular network for you. So as you can see here, Facebook is added here, and that is your profile account. It's added for you to post to if you wish to. So let's go ahead and add some pages now that you manage. You click on manage accounts, and then you click to add a new account. What it will do here is to bring in all the accounts that you manage, and then you can delete which one you wish not to. For example, I will be going ahead and delete this pink crush right here. Right, and then it's gone. Now let me go ahead and add a Twitter account. So we go back to networks, and then we go on Twitter here, manage accounts, and then we new account here. Hold on, new account. This comes up with authorization asking you to authorize the app. You simply go ahead and authorize the app to redirect you back to DweetSocial, and then there you go. Now let's go ahead and do a post just to show you. Let's go click on post here. Now there are a few things when you come to this page on posts. You can see we have emojis. Now there's quite a lot here to choose from, and then you have the area to write something in. Please remember that Twitter allows a certain number of characters, so if you're going to post on Twitter, have that in mind. If we go down a little bit further here, we see three icons here. This is for you to add a link if you want to, add an image or a video. No, not all platforms support video. The only as you can see right here, Facebook pages, Facebook, Twitter. As you can see, Facebook right now, which is your profile, will support video, and Twitter, but not pages. So that's the situation right now for the type of media that is allowed on the particular medium. Okay, so let's go ahead and add an image here. Let me add an image. I'm gonna add one. Let's choose this. Okay, once it's in, you go ahead and you press this button here to add it to your system. And obviously, if you want to, you can crop the item. So let's show you how to crop it. You can go ahead and just use a slider here and move it if it's too big, and you can move it around to position it. Crop and save. Okay, once you crop and save, you now have the image in. Now I'm going to go ahead and just add some wording here. Let me see what I need to add. Let's say welcome to DweetSocial. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna add a link here also. Let's for do its sake, we're gonna add the DweetSocial link, the homepage of DweetSocial. Let me just go ahead and copy this link here, and I'm gonna add it here. Now, when you add a link to DweetSocial using this method here, what happens is that it will track all social media clicks and interactions for you. So if you realize now, you'll be getting a shortened URL, and the shortened URL will be the track. No, and then you can come in here inside the social and see what's the interaction on it. Now let's add some social media accounts to it to be posted on. Okay, let's add the post right here. Now, with every click on the different social media platforms, you will get a preview to see what's going out. Let's go ahead and click on the pages here. I'm going to choose this page for now, because there are only one, and we're going to choose this page for the Twitter. Now this area right here that has the clock icon is actually a scheduler, so you can schedule a particular post for an hour after, or 2 hours after, or tomorrow, or whenever you wish to. But we're going to post today, and so this don't have to do that. We can also save as a draft and have drafts, and we're just going to go ahead and publish. Okay, so let go ahead and publish. Now, in the event that you would like to have recurring posts, we do have a thing called a post planner. It's really a recurring post planner that you can say post every Monday at 12 or such forth. So to reach that, let's go to our tools. It's actually in our tools. Now if you go click on this here, which is the post planner here, you will now see the post that you created. Now if you would like to create a recurring post for it, you can simply turn on, rather you can display the planner in the post page. So basically the page that we had just now, you can have it inside there. So I will say turn it on, and to create, or rather add a future, or rather recurring post to this post that we just did, you click on this planning icon there, and then you add an action. You can add up to 4 actions. So for example, on a Monday at 9 a.m. weekly, repeating for 4 weeks, we would like this to happen. Or we can add on one on a Thursday at 9 a.m. again weekly. For the next 4 weeks, we would like this to happen. So this will have these 2 recurring post planners, so you can always set it and forget it, and it will recur for those amount of repeats. So that's it for the post planner. Let me go back to post for now, and let me show you where it will be showed up. We just turn it on, so it's going to show up in our post now. So here we go. So once you're posting, whether you're scheduling or just posting, you can add a planner to it at the same time. Let's go to dashboard. The dashboard shows you what happens to every post that you just did. So you can here again see the latest post. We click on it, and it will show you a preview what's been had been posted, and also where it has been posted on. You can see some on the Facebook account, the Facebook page, and the Twitter account. Also, you can track the image, track your link. Remember I told you about the URL shortener? Here we go. Go ahead and just click on this link here, and it will show you the amount of times or amount of persons that have clicked on it. Now, sometimes you will see unknown. Some of these unknowns are like bots that might be on Facebook or on Twitter, and they're tracking through. So because bots do go through and track your clicks, sorry, track your postings. So these here that says unknown might be bots. So let me go ahead and find the last post that's done here. Okay, as you can see, this was a post. I will go ahead and just click on it here, and I will go to Twitter as well. Let me go to Twitter, twitter.com, and then go to my tweets here. And this was the last one that we just did. Okay, awesome. Let me apply. Apply. All right. So let's go back to our to here, and sometimes it does not reflect right away. Sometimes it do. If you don't see it reflecting right away, give it a little bit of time. So it sometimes it does not reflect right away, but you can check back a little bit later and you can see that those clicks were recorded. Now there's another thing here. Let's go into tools here, and there is a monitor, which is this called monitors. We just simply run the monitors, and then what the monitors does is to track every interaction with our comments or likes on our tweets, on our posts throughout the day. Okay, so you can actually see what's happening and such forth. So let me go ahead and give this a like. So that's an awesome like here, and give this a like here. DweetSocial as well. Oh, sorry, let me go back. Okay, let's run this monitors again. I'm not sure what happened to the net just now. Okay, right. So, as I said, it's to track all your different interactions throughout the day. So, as with all these different stuff, to give them a little time to come in, and when you when they do come in, you can simply interact with them also here. So I can just simply comment here and say nice. Let's do that. This will be posting on the page directly. Okay. Then I can do it on also the Facebook page, and let's go and comment nice, submit, and I'm going to do it on Twitter as well. Which one is Twitter? Here we go. Now if you have a lot of accounts and you just want to see all the Twitter accounts that you're looking at, you can simply go ahead and go ahead and click on Twitter here, and it will just bring up all the Twitters that you have, all the Twitter accounts that you have. Or you can just simply go ahead, and if it's Facebook, you can click on Facebook here, or if it's a case that you want a particular account, DweetSocial, it should just bring up all of the DweetSocial, whether it's Twitter or whether it's but it will bring all the DweetSocials that for the Facebook page. So it just depends on what you need. Okay. All right. So that is how you go ahead and add stuff, interact. You can see these are the interactions that I just put in. I just replied nice, nice, and well, that was awesome just now. So they're there. So you can have those be in the one interface, and they're interacting with all the accounts that you have, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, etc. And just do it one place, and you will not have to log into all the different social media network at the same time and have to log out, log back in, and such forth. So that is what really what do it social does for you. And you can try their 7 days free, and then pick a plan if you wish to. And that's it. All right. So thank you again for watching the screencast and watching the awesomeness of DweetSocial and how it can assist you to get your social media activities out, your content out, and such forth. So thanks again, and you have an awesome one. Just before we go, there's one more thing I need to show you guys. It's our RSS feed. Now, in the event that you might have a WordPress blog for yourself, or I don't know, if you like a particular RSS feed from a particular blog post, or like for example TechCrunch or such forth, you can simply go ahead and add the RSS feed. So this is how you do it. You go new RSS feed. You're gonna get the URL. Let's say I'm gonna do the Verge. No, let me look for TechCrunch. Here we go. Okay, so we have an RSS feed here, a few from TechCrunch. Let's say we're going to take the first one, or rather, let's take stake. I want something latest in tech. Let's use social for now. This is the RSS feed that's there. We just simply take this feed burner, okay, and then you simply go back to DweetSocial, drop your RSS link inside here. You click on this icon to test it. You will see that it comes up with a few things. Now, some of the RSS feeds, they do put a extra line in, which is this, which is the same thing as this, and I believe that comes from the feed proxy. So if you see this here, this is just an extra line from them, so that should be fine. Let's go ahead and just save this here. Once the feed has been saved, you wait for a few seconds, and then it's going to redirect you. Now you have 4 tabs here: publish, network, settings. What you need to do is to do the settings first, set up your stuff first. So basically, I would like to enable this feed. I will like to publish description. I would like to let it automatically do it. So basically, as the feed comes in, the new feed comes in, or a new post from TechCrunch comes in, it posts as well a few seconds after. So I don't want a manual, and I want only new stuff to be posted. Okay, now I want to go to networks. Now I want to post this thing on, for example, let's do it on DweetSocial for now. Okay, I can do it on Twitter if I wish to, or even my account, but we're going to do it on DweetSocial alone. Now we go to publish, or rather go to content. What's going to happen? Every new post that comes in, it will post directly to the page that I just selected. All right, so as a new post comes in, it posts for you. So let me go ahead and click on. So that's basically it. There's nothing tough or anything big in the except the fact that it works awesomely. And also here, you can put a referral code inside here. Let's say you want to uh, your particular pushing particular campaign or such, or you can put a code inside here for them to click on to get something or get 10% off or something. So you're now attaching some of your content to it at the bottom, you understand? So that's it for the RSS feed. It's quite simple. It works nicely if you do have like your own blog, WordPress blog, and you can just simply get your WordPress blog feed, put it inside there, and you don't have to worry about whether or not it's been posted. So all you will do is focus on making your blog posts, and DweetSocial would just see those blog posts and do them automatically for you to any network that you selected. Okay, so if you select 4 networks, fine, it will just do it for you. So that's basically it. So thanks again for joining me with on this screencast, and there'll be more coming. So you have an awesome day.